SKIN stock, super interesting next Monday and the next week. So I'm going to show you my exact play, right? What zones am I buying, my alerts, everything. Well, I'm just marked up the top and I have some lines pointing towards the upside. What the heck would that mean? I mean, being the only one in the space that's done 40,000 videos, documented them all. I mean, it's taken me 5 years, trial, error, blood, sweat, tears. All I'm looking to do is still buy, right? So how's all this going to look like? Well, this is kind of unrealistic. I mean, obviously it could quite happen, but the only thing that I would care about is if it does pull down and shows me a shift here. If this doesn't happen, there's no confirmation or anything, I'm not buying, right? Last thing that I'm going to do is randomly get involved. So just waiting for my rules. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, then yeah, sure, just go ahead and click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Other than that, I will continue to keep you updated. See you in the next one. You can see there's some previous receipts in my Discord about this. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Get my free emails.